Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're here, chances are you're having some trouble with your TCL Roku TV remote. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through some steps to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the issue. 1. First things first, let's try the simplest fix, replacing the batteries. It might sound obvious, but sometimes the solution is as simple as that. Swap out the old batteries for fresh ones and see if that resolves the problem. 2. If changing the batteries didn't work, the next step is to make sure there's nothing obstructing the line of sight between the remote and the TV. Check for any objects blocking the signal, and also make sure there's no dust or debris on the remote sensor on the TV itself. 3. Still no luck. Let's try repairing the remote with the TV. Start by unplugging your TV for a few seconds, then plug it back in. Once it's powered on, press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment of the remote for about 3 seconds. 4. After releasing the pairing button, wait for the remote to reconnect with the TV. You should see an on-screen message confirming the pairing. If not, try the process again, making sure you hold the pairing button long enough. 5. If you've tried all these steps and your remote still isn't working, it might be time to consider a factory reset of your TV. Keep in mind, this will erase all your settings and preferences, so proceed with caution. 6. To perform a factory reset, go to the Settings menu on your TCL Roku TV, then select System greater than Advanced System Settings greater than Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. Conclusion. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you get your TCL Roku TV remote working again. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to contact TCL customer support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.